And this is perimenopause frizz and hair loss. Love it.
Oh,
Love it.
We're just gonna. What are we
And
doing?
it's I just let it grow and put it up and did nothing with it. So now we need to get some style.
Good.
So now this is like I have been hunting you down forever. I came from Massachusetts. My mother sees you here from New Jersey. And you know, everyone that I go to, they do decent, but like this one, you can see the bald spot. It's like, you know, I wanted like the curtain bangs and I wanted I said a butterfly, and they leave it too long in the back that has like no style in the back. It's just like dead hanging there. And then my problem, I don't even know that I want you to film this picture. This picture's gonna be bad. Here it is. Okay, I will close see the frizz? Look at that. That's awful. It used to be like I started growing it out, but I have this like weird calicky thing. And so now what I want, like the Farrah Fawcett, what's her name? You have a video, the new one, Jacqueline Smith haircut or a butterfly.